everybody! Swamp Donkey back here again with some more Doom. It's been a little while since I played it, but looking forward to getting back into it. And we're at the Argent facility destroyed, and if I remember correctly, we are trying to head to some kind of database center or whatnot so that Dr. Hayden can give us more information. So let's get right to it. Hey guys, Swamp Donkey here, and just a quick little announcement. The first of every month I'm going to be giving away a Steam gift card worth $25. All you have to do to qualify for the Steam gift card giveaway is just be a subscriber to the channel. You don't have to like or watch the videos or share them, although I would love for you to do that, and that's the whole point in doing this, is to build awareness for the channel. But all you have to do is be subscribed. I have to also be able to verify that you're subscribed, so if I click on my subscribers, I need to be able to see your name there, or I should have gotten an email saying that you did subscribe. So just make sure you're subscribed and you're automatically entered. Thank you so much guys, and let's get back to the game.
Those who came before you and those with whom you serve all operate with the same goal in mind, the development of a new dawn for mankind. It is by this guiding principle, working together as a team, that we will elevate ourselves to the next plane of existence.
This is green. Let's see.
Those who came before you, whom you serve, all operate with the same
I don't think I want to.
dawn for mankind. It is by this guiding principle, working together as a team, that we will elevate ourselves to the next plane of existence.
Oh nice, a shield, all kinds of stuff. Sweet health. Oh yeah, baby. He's got a, oh my god, look at that. He's got a hard hat on. Anyways, hope you guys are having a good day. I'm having a really good day, just hanging out, enjoying the little R&R. Oh shit. There's something new right there.
Demonic breach detected.
Nice. Pinky. Oh shit! That's fucked up, Pinky. Alright, here we go. Oh, nice! Gutted him with his own, like, horn. Eat that, man. I ain't worried about... Oh god, there's another one! What the fuck? Oh shit! What is this? Are they weak on their back, maybe? Alright. Oh, in the eye! And you die in the eye. Boom! Eat it, punk. Let's see, what do we need to try to do here? Acquire 3 data logs. Oh, I still need to kill 5 demons with a chainsaw. That's right, I could do that with the small ones. What are you? Oh, we got the map. Alright, that's good. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting to check the map to kind of see... well, you're there, obviously, but... what I'm looking for here is... aha! Over here. It's way over here. The Argent thingamajig. Argent cells. That's what we need. So we need to make it over to... yeah, this way. I guess... when we get... shit. I don't know, honestly. I have no idea. We'll figure it out. What are you? Whatever you are, obviously. I don't need you. Got a fart. Sorry. It's fucking hilarious. Oh, Pinky. You cad.
That demon seems to have taken your keycard. You will need to find it. The tram station will not be accessible without proper clearance.
Yeah. Just shut up. I always forget you can't press G to run around here. Ooh, what is... Which way do I go? It's kind of a crapshoot, isn't it? Knowledge is power! Can't heal up. Is this the way I came in? Sorry for my dog barking out there, guys. He's being a noob right now. He's being a complete and total noob! I feel like this is the way to go. I don't know. Let's see what happens. No, this is the way we came. Yeah, okay. Alright, cool. Now we are cooking with Crisco. Oh, here we are. Yeah. What the... Alright, give me a G! Where's another one? Ha! Did it! Kind of a waste of the quad, but it's okay. Whoa. Oh my god, that is so funny. Boom, baby. Oh my god, that makes me so happy. Jesus, that is so funny. Alright, let's see here. Boom! Right in the Misher Masher. And by Misher Masher, I mean, you know, like... I thought, like... I don't know what I thought. Oh, shit. Eat that, bitch! Mid-air, baby! I wish I could fly. Oh, shit! Curb stomp. Shit, I'm on fire. That's right, I am. Yeah. Hey! Now give me some ammo. Come on. Fucking shit, dude. Are you kidding me? I know there's a big mother. Yeah, gullet. Got him. Oh shit. Oh my god. Exploded. Alright, let's see. Where am I in relation to the Argent cell? Okay, I still got a ways to go. Alright, did I get everything I could get? Seems like it. I mean, what are you? Oh, you're a grenade. How do you throw grenades again? Ah, that's how. I think we're gonna keep you up, and we're just gonna fight with a fucking rocket launcher for a little while. This is so funny.
Unauthorized exploration into the exclusion zones outside the base.
The man cubist. I thought we already. Oh hell yeah! No, you don't, you motherfucker! No! Where are you going? Shit. You know, it's been a while since I've actually seen one of these things.
Demonic presence of critical role.
Oh, fuck me, dude. I'm about to die. Shit. Come on, baby. Give me some health. Eat that, bitch. How is this not? Oh, shit. Oh, God. What are you? Mega health, huh? What is this? This stimulation is the first and so successful unit technology. Endurance to the user. The effect is achieved by first vaporizing. Blah blah blah. I wonder if this is this forever, or is this just like temporary until I use it? You know, because that I don't know. Ah, you mother. Why are you so big? Nice. That's really helpful right there, because that means I can get more ammo. Damn it. Seems as if... Alright, let's see. Where are we? Okay, yep. I need to go this way. And then up this way. But... this way is just... oh, shit! Ah, I see. It's a... looks like it's a temporary thing. That's a bit unfortunate. Oh, fucking A. Dude, really? The hell? Ah, shit! Okay, come on now. Alright, where are you? Alright, looks like I may need to jump across. Is this it? Oh, I gotta go up. Damn. Yeah, there's no way I'm getting it from here. Oh shit. Am I supposed to make that jump? Maybe in a second. I'm gonna go get some ammo real quick. I almost forgot this. Nice. Yeah, see, I really want more ammo. Alright, for fuck's sake. Here we go. I guess that wasn't too hard. Just gotta time it properly. You definitely got to be up here and drop down. That just has to be the only way I get that. Yeah. Okay. See if we can sneak in here and... Run, bitches! Oh my god, dude. Look at that, pinging him around in the air like a little ping pong. Bam, baby! Oh, I slapped him in the face with his own gun! Did y'all hear my voice crack? That was fucking hilarious, dude. Oh, shit. Nice. Can't finish him off from up there. That one's kind of a, like, not great one, you know? Okay. Trying to get more ammo here. I did it, yes! I mean, not ammo, rather, armor. So I can protect this 200 health I got for as long as I can. You know what I'm saying? Alright, where am I at now? How do I get over there? Okay, let's see. Am I in the right area? Sort of. It's over here. It says it's like... Is that it? It is. Yes! Oh, fuck yes, baby. Give it to daddy. Yeah. We are going to... We're manning up. We're going to be a man about it. We ain't being a baby. I want the health. I mean armor. Jesus. I mean ammo. God. Oh, I can't close it. Interesting. Okay. Uh-huh. Well,
Access denied. Yellow security clearance required.
somewhere around here is a little dude. He's up. He's obviously up. Where are you, little dude? Got him! Oh, he's like Captain America, little dude! So what killed him? Was it eating this guy? Alright,
You
cool.
cannot send a team in to
hang on.
retrieve it.
I am the head of this corporation. All your work and discoveries here belong to me. He was mine before you even found him.
I wonder if they're... Could you mind? Oh, look at the handprint when it goes out. Anyways, I wonder if they're talking about me. So, anyways, guys, I think that's going to be it for this episode. Hope you guys had a good time. I had a blast. If you had a lot of fun today, bam that like button and share the channel. You know, help it grow. Show your friends what a cool guy Swamp Donkey is. And if you haven't already, subscribe to see some more. Y'all have a great day. Swamp Donkey out.